Friends, for our writing center today, we're going to use our sheet that says on our Thanksgiving table. And then look, there's some foods over here. Corn, turkey, pie, mashed potatoes, broccoli, ham, bread, peas, french fries, and then some fruits. Now, you do not have to use all of these. You're going to think about what you have on your Thanksgiving table. So the first thing I want us to do, we're going to cut out our table, our sheet that says on our Thanksgiving table. I'm cutting on the dotted line. I'm going to get that cut out for us. I'm going to set this to the side for just a second. And then I'm going to cut out this sheet as well. This says our menu. Our menu. So I want you to think, if you go to a restaurant, you can order off of a menu, but you're going to think about your menu for Thanksgiving. So what do you have at home? What's on your Thanksgiving dinner menu? What do you eat at home? And I'm going to cut out my pictures as well. All right, friends. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to get this glued in, our table and our menu. So I'm going to put my pictures off to the side for a second, and I'm going to get our Thanksgiving table picture, and I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot, to get that glued in there. I'm going to stick it down. And then also this piece that says our menu. I'm going to glue that down as well. All right, friends. Now the first thing I'm going to do, on my Thanksgiving menu, I usually have a turkey, and mashed potatoes, and corn. I'm going to do those three. So I'm going to glue down my turkey, corn, and mashed potatoes. All right. And then later I'm going to go back and color. Now I'm going to get my pencil, and the first word I'm going to sound out on my menu, our menu, is the word turkey. Turkey. Now I'm going to go through and do the rest. Corn and mashed potatoes. You're going to go through and do the rest of your list on your own. Remember, Mrs. Newlands and I really want you stretching and chopping and writing the sounds that you hear in the words. Okay? Now, say you want to do more than 3. You can. If you also wanted to add pie and bread, you can do that. Now, what if there's something that you eat that there's not a picture of? You can draw it in. All right, friends? So remember, you're going to cut, then glue out your items and write your list. When you're all done, you can go back in nice kindergarten coloring. All right, we will see you back here for writing time.